Well, ladies and gentlemen, this video is kind of made late in the week, but this is the first video of week 2. A little bit of an update on everything is that, well, I'm still trying to look for a job. My goal is to try to get one at the end of this month, but we will see. I'm currently working with 2 employment services to help me with that, and then, yeah, so I did have a job interview with Ambia Solar, and that was on Monday. And then they told me that they were going to respond on Tuesday, so it kind of sucks because I didn't get the job. I did really want the job, and I thought I was going to get it because, the interview I thought went very, very well. And, yeah, so it did not go quite as well. No, I think the interview went very well. There was someone that was just better than I was. So, yeah. That's the update of what's going on. Today I do plan to clean my room a little bit, and then I gotta shower because I haven't showered in like 3 days, and it's kind of like, yeah, I'm ready for a shower. So, yeah. Yeah, so on room status, stuff that's mine that I gotta clean is this whole corner. So I got all of this, and then I got all of this that I have to do. Not the suitcase or the backpack, but the rest of it. And then, this is all my brother's stuff right here, all on the couch. And then I got this whole area that I need to clean. So, yeah. So this is all of mine. And then I did get another monitor. It's not a super nice one, but one of my friends was able to give me one. Until I can actually replace it with a nicer monitor. So I'm going to be temporarily using this monitor because this monitor stopped working. So hopefully another thing I'm going to get done this week is to redo all the cable management and to clean out my computer. So, and as in clean out my computer, I mean use a blow duster or a blower. Sounds so bad, but to get that out, and I'm going to open this window as wide as possible, and I'm just going to blow all the dust all that way. So we're going to do that, and then clean out my keyboard, because the keyboard in here is kind of gross. So, yeah, and then I got to sweep up this whole area, so hopefully we get this done, and I don't have my tripod, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the result later when I have it all clean. And yeah. Well, today is Friday, so this week's video isn't going to be very long, but I did get a few of the things done that I said I was going to do, and I'm working on one of the things that I said I was going to do. So the first thing I said I was going to do is clean my room. I'm feeling a lot better now that it's later in the week, and I had time to process the emotions of not getting the job I wanted. So, but I feel a lot better now. I'm just going to have to do something else, figure out something else. Hopefully I can still get a job this month. This month is about to end, so I'm hoping to get one next month. And, yeah, so, but I'm still going to try to get a job as quick as possible. But, let me show you guys what I'm working on. So, this is what I'm working on. I'm going to cable manage all of this all into a rack below. So I'm going to go ahead and cable manage it and show you guys how I did it, because I ended up doing it differently on my brother's computer and it looks a lot cleaner. So I got a rack to do that, and it's just going to sit under my table instead of all on here, because this is like supposed to only do the weight of the monitors. And then I'm also getting rid of this monitor. So the problem with having everything just hooked up to this is that if there was a cable that was too tight and I needed to loosen it, and if it was something like this cable right here, which is under everything, it would have been extremely hard because I would have to undo everything. So, yeah. Now, let me show you the better way to do this in case something like this happens. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I got the cable management done. It does not look very pretty, but it's a lot better than it was. The only reason I did it like this is so when I do have a specific issue with a certain device or any of the monitors or anything, I can go ahead and find the cable, find where it is, and just disconnect it real quick. So, for an example, my monitor stopped working, and it was just all tangled up in here, and I had put all the power cords on first, so I had to take off everything, all my cable management, or undo all the cables to get to the power cord. So now I no longer have to do that. I'm sorry about the focusing. I don't know why my phone is struggling to do that. But there we go. So for an example, if I have an issue with these, I can come here and I know that it's routed right here. So I can just undo the the zip tie and undo the cable, and voila, it's not tangled in with anything else. It does look like it is a little bit, but it's not too bad. So I think it looks a lot better. So we'll go ahead and hook up the rest of my PC and hope everything works. Well guys, today is Saturday, the last day of the week, and I'm going to be editing today, but I just wanted to show you guys the project that I got done. I guess this was kind of the big project of this week. So we got this done, which I think looks amazing. I don't like how the top here, because when I walk in, I'm about this high, and I can just kind of see where the other monitor was mounted to. Right there, and then this monitor is slightly smaller, but like the color also now looks good. So now the colors match on both monitors, because my old monitor would have, it had 4K, but the colors were off. So I'm glad now that I have a 1080p monitor, but I guess I'm glad that the colors match. So yeah, we have that, and then the microphone is now mounted on top, and then yeah, it's really easy. So if I have any problems with any of the cables, they're all separated, so I should be able to just disconnect them pretty easily. So yeah, I think it looks a lot better than what it was before. I mean, I don't think it looked too bad. I'm just sad that my monitor broke. And then over here, we did clear off the window other than the air compressor, and now I'm being called on Discord. One moment. So I know this week I said I was supposed to be cleaning, and then the other thing I was supposed to do is work on heat pressures for the hats. I did not get that done this week, so I'm going to probably do some research and try to get this done this next week. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much. I want to just continue to make these videos every week just to learn how to video edit it and get good at it. There's nothing specific that I'm trying to do. I guess I'm just trying to vlog what I'm trying to do, so yeah, that's a little bit about the videos that I'm doing. And then over here ended up getting more messy, and all the stuff that was on the windowsill is now right here. So I gotta go ahead, get that computer hooked up, because that is my server computer, and then build these Lego sets and get them on that windowsill, because I think it would look cool to have those up there, or even up on that windowsill. And then yeah, so I'm pretty excited to continue to make these videos, and I hope that you guys, you know, subscribe to this channel and stay cool.